So one of the things that we can run is inside the terminal or the DOS command to run the start with this. So I like to demonstrate to you for you to run the DOS command and to see how this thing works with it. And of course we ran it outside of the DOS command a few minutes ago with it. But inside if you're doing this with Microsoft Visual Code View Terminal, you can actually go to your Visual Code, and if you can do View Terminal, which is this one right here. All right, and you could see how this actually, here's your terminal right here, right? So in my handout that I have, it's make sure it has your prompt and everything in here with it, right? And in my handout that I have, I ask you to run npm start, right? So npm start. All right. So there isn't actually anything in there with it. It should load your local host, your 3000, like we did a few minutes ago with it. But this is your terminal, which is equivalent to that DOS command that you just ran a few minutes ago. It looks like this. Remember this right here with it? So it should give us the same message as this with it as well. So it's getting there. It's just taking its sweet time right now with it. So I just want to show you there is the terminal where you can run your npm start with it. You can actually run this with it as well. So let me pause the video. It's going to take a few minutes with it. I don't want to record all this stuff. And as you can see, it says, would you like to run the app on another port instead? I'm going to answer no to this thing right now. Okay, I think I might have another one. It's already running. Here it is with it. So it's running already with it there. That's why there's a conflict in my browser right now. But just for kicks, I just want to see what if I answer no in this one or yes in this one. So would you like to run the app on another port? Because port 3000 is already used with it as well. So I'm going to answer yes. Okay. So it's going to find another port besides 3000. Something is already running 3000. So would you like to run the app on another port? I said yes. It's going to look for another number. It's going to connect to it. All right. So because I ran it on the DOS side a few minutes ago. But to help out, I think you should just pick one and not do both of them in the future. So if you're doing terminal here, or if you're doing the DOS command, just pick one of them, okay? And you do remember, okay, so this is the same output that you have here, and look, port is 3001, not 3000. So if you recall, it does this, and of course everything is properly run right now with it. So take a screenshot of this right here. I want you to take a screenshot of this right here and paste it into this part right here for me. Okay, so either do the DOS command or my app, either one of them. Just do one of them. I like for you to take, if you want to do the DOS one, put it in here with it, or let me do an or on here. Copy and paste the terminal of MS Visual Code or the DOS command. Either one of them, I don't care. It just doesn't really matter, okay? So paste that right underneath here for me, okay? All right, I want to upload this video. I'll put this part right here. That's where it's gonna go. All right. So this concludes your class exercise number 1. Good job.